Let's start two remaining numerical problem in which the graph is there. Numerical problem number 4. Diagram alongside shows a velocity time graph or car A and car B. Yani this is the graph of car A. Starts from the 0 second and velocity increases 80 मीटर पर सेकंड इन 8 सेकंड. समझ में આવે છે? 8 સેકન્ડમાં એની વેલોસિટી 80 થઈ ગઈ. એન્ડ કાર બી સ્ટાર્ટ લેટર, यानी 1 સેકન્ડ સ્ટાર્ટ કરે and up to 4 seconds its velocity increase and that velocity remain constant for remaining seconds, यानी 9 સેકન્ડ સુધી. આ A માં 8 સેકન્ડ છે અને B 9 સેકન્ડ સુધી જાય છે. And they are moving along a straight road in the same direction. Calculate acceleration of car A. Now acceleration, what is acceleration? How can you find acceleration? Acceleration of car A, any velocity time graph na slope પરથી. Is car A, what is acceleration? Is y-axis upon x-axis. So y-axis જે બી ગ્રાફ છે ને, આ એ ગ્રાફ છે એનું એક્સેલરેશન. સો એનું જે ટ્રાયંગલ બને તો એનું વાય એક્સિસ અપોન એક્સ એક્સિસ. તો વાય એક્સિસ this much distance means 80. y axis मतलब 80 and x axis 0 to 8 है ना. तो slope of graph, then acceleration of car A is 80 by 8, that is 10 meter per second square. The first answer. What is the acceleration of car B between 2 to 4 seconds? અહીંયા ઉતારો 2 to 4 second, 2 to 4 second, and this is car B and this is 2 second and 4 second. અહીંયા 2 second એ car B ક્યાં છે? car B અહીંયા હતી 2 second અને 4 second માં ક્યાં જતી રહી? અહીંયા. मतलब you can focus on this triangle and always slope is acceleration. સ્લોપ यानी y axis upon x axis. આટલું કેટલું થાય? So y axis is this much, 60 છે ને, 60 અને 20. 60 minus 20 equal to 40. 60 minus 20 equal to 40 and x axis is 4 minus 2 is 2. यानी 60 minus 20 means 40 by 2, that is 20 meter per second is acceleration of car B. Now third is, at what time interval both car have a same velocity? Chalo, velocity is same, they intersect each other this point. At 2 seconds car A and car B have same velocity 20 and at 6 seconds car A and car B both have velocity 60 meter per second. Yani what time interval? At times 2 seconds and 6 seconds. Yani after 2 seconds and 6 seconds its velocity are same. Now which of the car is ahead after 8 seconds? 8 second. Yani કઈ આગળ હોય? मतलब you have to find the distance. Yani velocity time graph na area પરથી distance મળે. You have to find the area up to 8 seconds. Now let's A after 8 seconds, मतलब this triangle area for A, यानी car A travel distance in 8 seconds, that is the area of this triangle. यानी base 1/2 of base into height. 1/2 of base is 8 and height is 80. So 1/2 of 8 into 80, यानी 8 4s are 32, 320 meter the car A traveled. Now car B traveled. Now focus only B. चलो आने B focus करो. This and this up to 8 second ना, 8 second यानी you have to close this figure. यानी car B travel and up to 8 second. So this figure in which this and this parallel line, so in the form of trapezium. So car B travel is area of this figure is 1/2 of sum of parallel side into distance, that is a perpendicular distance. तो trapezium area में sum of parallel sides यानी 1/2 of આ કેટલું થયું 8 - 1 यानी 7 અને આટલું કેટલું થયું આટલું 4 7 + 4 so 1/2 of 7 + 4 into sum of parallel side into distance between them, this much is 60. Okay, so 30 7 + 4 11 3s are 33 330 यानी after 8 seconds car A travel 320 meter and car B travel 330 meter. So which car ahead? Car B is ahead by 10 meter from A. समझ में आयो? Now practice problem number 4. Compulsory આમાં તો ગ્રાફ તો જોઈએ જ ડ્રો કરેલા, so it is better. હવે અહીંયા જોઈએ diagram alongside shows the velocity time graph of two car P and Q. चलो આ છે car P and this is car Q, right? Now acceleration of car P, चलो car P છે એનું acceleration. So velocity time graph ના slope પરથી y axis upon x axis is first answer. So y axis is 35 and x axis is 10. So 35 by 10 is 3.5. The first answer is 3.5 meter per second. Car P acceleration. Okay. Now car Q acceleration of car Q between 2 to 5 seconds. चलो यहाँ 2 to 5 seconds मतलब this much. तो आनो जे एरिया आवे ने मतलब एरिया नहीं आनो स्लोप means acceleration. तो velocity time graph ना slope पर थी acceleration मैंने slope means y axis upon x axis. तो this much y axis is 25 and x axis is 5 minus 2. 25 and 5 minus 2 is 3. 25 8.33 meter per second square. Got it? समझ में આવ્યું? Second, now at what time interval both car have a same velocity? चलो after 3 seconds both have velocity, the car Q and this is car P both have same velocity 10 meter per second, and after 7 seconds car P velocity is 25 and car Q velocity is also 25, and after 3 seconds and 7 seconds 3 seconds and 7 seconds. Which car is ahead after 10 seconds? चलो 10 seconds પછી કઈ કાર છે એ વધારે मतलब distance cover. તો કાર P ની વાત કરીએ. ચલો અહીંયા કાર P. તો એ જે ગ્રાફ છે ને એનો એરિયા, તો કાર P cover તો એરિયા is 1/2 of base into height. 1/2 of चलो base यानी 10 and height means 35. 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15, 16 17 यानी कार A travel 175 meter. कार P travel 175 meter. Now car Q travel. Car Q means this graph. car Q અહીંયાથી શરૂ કરે છે and at the end of 10 seconds this is the area of this figure is known as a distance travel. Velocity time graph na area par distance. Now this is in the form of trapezium and the answer is 1/2 of sum of parallel sides, matlab this plus this into distance between them. Sum of parallel sides matlab this is 10 minus 2 is 8 plus this much is 10 minus 5 is 5 into distance between them. આ બંને જે પેરેલલ સાઇડ્સ છે એ વચ્ચેનું ડિસ્ટન્સ. Then the distance is 25. Is 25. 8, 5, 13. यानी 1/2 of 13 into 25. હવે આ તો પોઈન્ટમાં આન્સર આવશે કારણ કે પોઈન્ટ છે, પોઈન્ટમાં આન્સર આવશે. તો that is 6.5. 6.5 into 25. Now 6.5 into 25. एक मिनट कैलकुलेटर से फटाफट कर. 6.5 into 25. 162.5 यानी 162.5. कार क्यू ट्रैवल है ना, कार क्यू ट्रैवल. तो कार क्यू ट्रैवल 162.5 and car P travel 175. So which is more? Car P travel is more, and by how much? So car P travel 175 minus 162.5 minus karo. So that is, the answer is 12.5. 175 minus 162.5 is 12.5. Is 12.5. The answer is car P travel more, so car P is 12.5 meter ahead. समझ में आयो? चलो, here is the end of your all kind of doubts. So I want marks in the test. Okay?